The following step in Honda's strategy to intermix its lineup will come in the form of the 2025 Civic Crossbreed, which will be offered both as a car and a hatchback. The firm's electrification plans include moving to a completely electric schedule by 2040, yet boosting its hybrid offerings in the meantime is meant to connect that void. We reported last April that Honda had actually released a hybrid version of the Civic hatchback in Europe, and speculated that the auto would likewise come stateside to change the stopped understanding car. We're not sure yet exactly how Honda will adjust the European automobile's powertrain, which includes a 2.0-liter inline-four and two electrical motors that combine for 181 horsepower, for the US market. However, we can just really hope that its output comes closer to the 204 horsepower offered by the very closely associated crossbreed arrangement in the 2023 Accord Crossbreed. While customer rate of interest has moved from cars and trucks to light vehicles and SUVs, Honda still sees sedans and hatchbacks as integral parts of its service. The market has actually changed far from passenger cars, yet cars still matter to Honda, stated Mamadou Diallo, Vice Head of State of Vehicle Sales for American Honda. The cars generate more youthful, extra multicultural purchasers to the brand name. The intro of a crossbreed powertrain to the Civic schedule becomes part of Honda's strategy to maintain those younger purchasers coming. Honda intends to open the order books for its all-electric Prologue SUV this year as well, which will be its first step toward the more comprehensive electrification of its lineup within the coming years. We anticipate to find out more regarding the Civic Hybrid closer to the car's on-sale day, which must remain in early 2024.